In 1929, the citizens of Irvine, Kentucky came together with the Hamilton Carhartt Overall Company on the promise of 18 jobs. They raised $35,000 to build the factory that we know that still exists today. They came together and said, let's do it. And it's been history ever since. When the citizens came together, there was no expectation of a return on that investment. The return on the investment was going to be what it was going to do for the community. However, later on, Carhartt came back and they paid that investment plus interest. So there's a long history of brothers, sisters, spouses that work here for the company, and I think that's the greatest testament to the company that we could ever have, in that all of the families that have been involved with Carhartt believe so much in a company that they would have their entire career spent here.
Carhartt by far has been the best garment company I have ever had the opportunity to work for. I feel like we're a collective. They're there to support me, and I'm there to support them. And you can tell this from the top down.
When you come to work for Carhartt, you're not a number, you're not a name, you're a family member.
I started work for Carhartt at 1963. My mother lived here her whole life. So she worked for Carhartt since she was a teenager. All of these people, with few exceptions, are local people.
It was like a family where we worked. They weren't just bosses, they were friends, and I miss working there.
I started with Carhartt in December of 2015, so I'm a relative newbie whenever it comes to Carhartt years. It's a bit challenging at times because you say, okay, what is my part? What is my opportunity to create a legacy here? Which is the thing that I really love about it, because what it does is it challenges me more to invest in people. The people that work here are committed to the success of the brand and the success of the community. That continues on. It propagates itself.
I've never generationally seen people that are just basically that good, and then they want good for people. That just makes me want to work that much harder for them.
The people that came together 90 years ago, they didn't just build a factory, they built a future. And I think about in that 90 years and the 132 years that Carhartt has been around, there were people each day who created a legacy to give all of us that are here today an opportunity. Everybody worked hard to make that happen. The decisions that I make today, the work that I do, is not about my own legacy, but it's about our legacy. And how that 90 years from today, somebody can be sitting here saying 180 years ago, that this story has continued. How many mortgage payments have we made? How many kids have we put through college? And how many dreams have been fulfilled in such a small town? What's the one true notion? What's the one thing that's kept us here? I think it's humbleness and hard work together. We're a company that was supported by a few people who came together and said, what can we be? We have to continue with the mindset of keep working hard and see what's next, but never lose that humbleness about us. And I think about how good Carhartt has been to Irvine. But Irvine has been so good to Carhartt.